Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front Dr. Stephen Kalonzo musyoka niwakulya akenya kwendea kwithiwa na ngwatanio ayasya Ivathukan'Yo Sya Kiuteti iyailite kwitikilw'a kwananga nthi ya Kenya. Aineena kyathini cha kukiakisya musyi wa Kavindu na Nduya Muthama kumana na kwasya mwana wa Moses Muthama. Kalonzo ingi niwathingiliila kana mauthuku ala mekikite vanthi ya Kenya takuwa wa kwa mwika majenzi mayisakula.
Yes. We should never forget where we are coming from. Yes. For temporary pleasures, because the inner and the greater calling is for a country that is democratic. And you senators stood, you've seen Rigiji here. That couple appreciates what you did, what Manzo did, and what Senator Wambua did in the Senate. And you carried our dignity to save the face of a whole community. People thought they were embarrassing Rigiji, only to realize it's a whole community. So continue committing yourself to those issues of justice. People don't forget these injustices. These injustices cannot be wished away. So Kenya, as we mourn departure of our son here, Moses, tuendelee na kuwa nguvu. Tujiwekee nguvu. Never give up. Never be intimidated. Refuse bribery. Kenyans, refuse bribery, open day bribery. No amount of bribery can resurrect Masai. Rex Masai coming here, tumepitia hapa kwa Kamadhanga. There's another son we lost, just like Moses. We cannot forget them.
Asante sana. Tuko